Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us proceed to now officially unveil Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade by Dr. Aishwarya Pandit. May I request the books to be kindly distributed to everyone who's with us on stage. Put your hands together as we unveil Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade. Indian Renaissance brings together senior journalists, political leaders, policy makers, and public intellectuals as they offer their varied and diverse perspectives on the key subject, the singular influence of India's Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, and his transformation of the BJP, as well as his developmental initiatives that have changed the lives of Indians, even in the remotest of villages. The essays delve into India's relations with the world, ranging from the United States of America to the Arab countries as well. While some authors have reflected on subjects of digital revolution, education, and nationalism. Ladies and gentlemen, Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade is a collection of essays contributed by 27 authors brought together by Dr. Aishwarya Pandit. I will take another 10 seconds to please introduce our author. Dr. Aishwarya Pandit is the chairperson of the ITV Foundation and an associate professor at Jindal Global Law School. She has been a visiting fellow at the Center for the Study of Developing Societies and has previously taught as visiting faculty at IIM Indore. An author, her first book, Claiming Citizenship and Nation, Muslim Politics and State Building in North India, 1947 to 1986, was published in the year 2022. She is also a guest columnist for the Sunday Guardian. On behalf of the audience, our esteemed guests and viewers, we extend our heartiest congratulations to Dr. Aishwarya Pandit on this remarkable achievement and addition to the literary world. Let's have a huge round of applause once again.